Freedom. Welcome to Hill Rise and Drive with Dr. Nhlanhla.
Freedom Mbabe, who was born in Gaborone. Khula ngiyadweba, used to love art, making sculptures ngemabumba and all those things. So ngikhula ngilumntwana lonjalo.
Wayidweba?
Yeah, bengidweba. Bengisi mangifuna kushela bengidweba. Yeah. We used to do like a walk from Kolo building around Taxi Rank to Anderson Street, sitting allow wearing timbala and then speak the Mpumalanga news by shoot. We call it
nice.
Long Walk to Fashion. You can say bring me 50 countries here, I'll bring them.
You will do the things that must be done.
Fashion
the
shows.
pots.
That's my thing. That's my daily prayer. Ngisman sengin CV ngisinyalo ngem17 ngihlangane nemuntu athi hey mara you inspire us.
Fire.
In the art space, a lot can agree with me. I've helped a lot of people from nothing. I would always have guys around me. Doesn't matter. Like I've always been open to help people. Many are called, but few are chosen.
Few are chosen.
Yeah.
So you are chosen to do what you are doing, and you're doing it very well. And it's testimony what I see.